Hi guys, we're gonna make the Figma design for our Scrabble AI web app. So first, we're gonna create a project we have here, and we have this photo that we have here for our Scrabble app. So this we're gonna design in Figma. So we're gonna try to imitate this as our minimal MVP. We also have one for our dark mode. Yeah, here in our dark mode. What are we waiting for? Let's do this! So we go here to builder.io to create the front end for our project. What I'm going to do right now is just to upload the prototype that we have. And let's just show and type some basic prompt to generate our front end code. So we're going to upload our minimal dark. Let's go for this one. So we're going to extract and we're gonna go with that. Let's see what we're gonna create with this one. So it's now doing the job for us. So it's good to know that builder.io is specialized in creating front end for us. The back end still needs to be implemented by us developers. So it's up for us to connect the dots wherein this front end UI is going to be generated to a React components. So we did this one by going for the React and TypeScript. So what it does is it just understands the PNG, the image that we uploaded, and get the layout of that, and it infers the idea on what CSS and HTML it thinks it predicts based on the provided sample or prototype, and it's made the ideas for us. So as you can see here, it generated the first idea. Actually, for the first iteration, this is a good one. Also, as you can see, it made CSS hovers for us and some buttons here. So we have here the sidebar on the left and sidebar on the right, and on the middle the game board itself. Also on the top bar. So I think this is not yet fully responsive. So we're gonna go edit that later on, but as of right now we just have the basic idea of what builder.io can do. It even generated the 15 by 15 board by itself. So later on, we're gonna go generate the full UI itself. What routes we need to do more, what templates we need to generate. But as of right now, this basic game board itself that we're gonna use for our MVP. So it's important for us to generate everything so that later on we just need to connect it to our back end, and we do not need to go back again. UI back end, edit UI again, back end again, edit UI again. So we're gonna generate all what we need later. So it's good right now. Our builder.io has finished executing its agent. I think we have done a great work and utilize this AI for our front end.